This is Patternflow, an open source LED synthesizer. You play light with your fingertips. It's a 128 by 64 Hub 75E matrix, driven by an ESP32S3. Every frame is generated in real time. Nothing is pre-rendered. 4 knobs are wired straight into the math. Turn one, and the pattern bends with your hand. Everything you need is on GitHub. The STL files, the Blender sources, the PCB gerbers, the firmware. Print the enclosure. Order the parts. Then assemble. Depending on where you order, the whole build runs around $100. The build guide covers every step. And if you get stuck, the Discord will get you through it. People around the world have already built their own. Every build gets a pin on the map. The goal is simple: cover the globe. You don't need the hardware to start. The whole device runs in your browser, right now, at patternflow.work. Patterns are written in JavaScript. Don't code? I built a prompt system for that. Copy the template, paste it into any chatbot, and describe what you want to see. Then make it yours. Tune the colors, shape the motion, by hand. One more prompt converts it to C++. Upload it through Arduino IDE. Now it's real. And you're not alone. Builders share their patterns on the Discord every day. One more thing. Patternflow speaks OSC, both ways. Sound can drive the patterns, the knobs can drive the sound. Take it to a set, a party, an installation. It runs on a power bank. No cables, no setup. A pocket-sized VJ rig, played by hand. Patternflow began when I experienced Namjoon Paik's Participation TV, a 1963 work where the audience could touch the image. I wanted to go one step further, so I built my own. When I posted it, some people asked how to buy it, but far more asked how to build it. That's why everything is open source. And if you'd rather get one than build one, Patternflow is on crowd supply. I'll keep refining Patternflow until interactive media art belongs to everyone.